Hey guys, in today's video we got the Inteli-power Charge Wizard 9200 series. It's a PD9245. It's a 45 amp model, 725 watts output, 13.6 volts DC. The input is 105 to 130 volts AC. If you guys are in the market for one of these for your RV, over here it is labeled positive, negative. You want to make sure you don't mix the wires up when you remove them. Also, you may just have a bad fuse. These are 30 amp fuses. Sometimes it can have just a blown fuse on one side or the other. These are fairly cheap. I'll post a link down in the description where you guys can get these. I also have a video on my channel about RV power converters and the things that go on with them, and some of the common mistakes that can happen when they're diagnosed by other technicians or misdiagnosed in some cases. But until next time, safe travels, be sure to subscribe, and thank you for watching.